Properties are elements of workflows that help define and structure message content. Properties may include such information as the severity or location of an incident. Let's create the properties we need for a service outage alert and see how properties work in action. The first thing we need is a way to indicate which service is affected. Let's click Create Property and select Combobox, which will allow the user to select from a set of values. Let's name this Service. The description is to help you identify this property in the properties list, and you can define the help text that will be displayed under this field when this property is used in a message. For the values, let's add our primary services: email server, intranet, corporate website, and database. Since the website has the most outages, let's add an asterisk after it to make it the default selection. Let's sort the options into alphabetical order and save the property. The next property we need is Location, for which we can select Hierarchy Property. This will let us select a main category and then allow users to select from sub-options depending on the category they chose. Let's fill out the name, description, and help text, and then add country and office as our category labels. I find the pipe character to be the easiest delimiter, which is how we'll add our sub-options. First, let's add our American offices using the pipe to indicate our sub-options. If we add another category level, we would add 2 pipes and so on. So let's fill these out. We need to create a message field to give the users more context. So let's add the text property. We can enter some default text. This will be pre-filled when a user creates a message, but can be changed before it's sent. Since this message may need to include a lot of detail, let's select its max size to be 1,000. If the message needs to follow a pattern or only include certain characters, we can add validation rules. But since we don't need to worry about this in our message, let's leave it off. Now let's see how these properties would act in a real message. Let's quickly create a new form using these properties and preview it. The service field allows us to select the affected service. The location field allows us to select our country, and then when that's selected, choose an office. And the message is pre-filled with our suggested text, but we can edit it to include more details if needed. To try using properties in message forms yourself, sign up for free at xmatters.com/free. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, I hope you'll consider giving it a like and subscribing. Have a great day.